Alrighty, folks, I want to tell you about something we have just added to my health journey. It's something we've been talking about for quite a while now. A dream, a vision is now a reality. Dr. Gross has released Longevix. This is something we have been talking about for a while under the Recelebrate brand, and it is something that we've talked about for quite a while, exosomes
Yeah.
and all of that. But I want to break this down and talk to the doc about what it is, why he did it, and why I'm now taking it daily. How you doing, Jeff?
I'm great. Thanks for having me back. The whole thing was a complete accident, to be honest. As you know, my medical field is now regenerative medicine, anti-aging, stem cells, and the business end of stem cells are exosomes, right? These are the smaller, not that cells aren't small, smaller signaling molecules that contain microRNAs and growth factors and peptides that one cell gives to another to communicate with it and encourage it to do different things and warn its neighbors or tell it to behave in a certain way. So when we get those from stem cells, it's giving a stem cell, message like, hey, wake up, restore, repair, regenerate. That's what we're doing. Well, in my travels through the internet and journals and research, which is what a nerd does, me, I stumbled across the fact that plant cells make exosomes. So plants make exosomes too, and it turns out really all species on the planet, even mushrooms and all kinds of things, make exosomes. Wow. So these are how cells communicate with others. Well, if you look further, it turns out that plants package phytonutrients into their exosomes. So wait a minute, not phyto, F-I-D-O, like dog food. I mean P-H-Y-T-O, meaning the nutrients you get from plants. Let's talk about some of what those are.
Okay.
And you've heard of some of these, but maybe not all of them. Resveratrol, quercetin, fisetin, spermidine, glutathione, vitamin C. There are a long list of others. Why do you eat blueberries? Because they have these specific, nutrients that you only get from blueberries. Why do you eat broccoli? Because it has sulforaphane, which is an anti-aging compound, a molecule. Well, all of these things aren't just floating around in the broccoli. They are inside the cells and inside the exosomes from the plants. So why get, a bottle of a supplement of quercetin or spermidine or whatever off the shelf that has taken the plant, pulverized it into a powder, and then with solvents, opened those exosomes and pulled out the molecule and separated it and put it back in a capsule for you to eat it, lose some in the digestion process, then of the part that gets into your bloodstream floating around in there, some might get into the cell. When you can have now, we were able to extract these exosomes. So I did further research, and so many of the benefits of plants come from their exosomes. But it was hard to get these. So we found a lab in Italy that can extract the exosomes from the plants and give us just the exosomes. So these exosomes, the beauty of the exosome, it has a membrane. That membrane survives our digestion.
That's
a human one wouldn't, but the plant membrane is much more stable. It's more evolved. It's been on this planet a few billion years longer. So it gets into our system. It delivers into our bloodstream, and then it delivers into the cell because exosomes are taken in by a cell through this endocytosis process and delivers the contents in a concentrated way. So it's a much more effective delivery. Michael, have you ever heard of liposomal vitamins?
Honestly, no. I'm not even sure that's a word.
So a liposome is like a little a fat bubble, fat membrane bubble. And you take like a nutrient like vitamin D and you can put it in an emulsion of some fatty substance. It'll make these little bubbles, and some of it gets into there, and it delivers better to your body and to your cells.
Got it.
Well, nature's already figured it out. It's these plant exosomes. So the more we studied it, the more interesting it got. So it turns out that it takes about a liter of pure fruit juice to make one capsule of that. Can you hold up one of those?
Yeah, let me get one. 1 liter of juice, huh?
1 liter. Now, you've already taken out the pulp and the fiber. This is just the juice. So you take 1 liter of juice. You couldn't drink enough juice. You know, that's the exosomes from 1 liter of juice. So
how many calories are in 1 liter of juice? That's got to be like 900.
Because of all the fructose. Yeah, that's a great question. You get so much sugar. So one of those capsules is the effect of 1 liter of the exosomes of 1 liter of juice, which is a 70x concentration of exosomes.
Wow.
Now you combine that with the enhanced delivery to your cell compared to just the native nutrient, and the exosome itself delivers at 10 to 50x concentration. So 70x times 10 to 50x gives you 700 to 3,500 more concentrated delivery, which is crazy. Wow. So one of those, that's why you only need one of those little capsules. That's 1 billion exosomes in a capsule.
Just a billion, Jeff? You couldn't get 2? I mean, come on. What's up?
I sound like Carl Sagan. But it's 1 billion exosomes in that capsule. And so we were so excited to finally bring this to market. It's been a labor of love. But
yeah, let me actually read you the back. This is, again, I love this. We've been talking about this for a year or so, and it's finally here. But it says, Longevix is powered by plant-derived extracellular vesicles, exosomes, helping to maintain active oxidative balance for health aging. It supports cellular see, this is all science stuff.
Let me help you out.
There you go. Thank you.
It supports cellular antioxidant defense and enhances nutrient absorption and bioavailability. Exosomes are the next frontier in regenerative health for enhanced resilience, redox balance, and cellular renewal.
That's awesome.
And of course, I have to say that the little asterisk, this has not yet been evaluated by the FDA. It won't be. But the research that we've done on this and animal studies in mice has shown increase in SIR2 gene activity. And for those of you that know, that's the anti-aging gene we want to stimulate. It's the same gene you stimulate when you eat a lot of broccoli or red grapes with the resveratrol. It also showed reduced reactive oxygen species. That means less, inflammatory, pro-inflammatory, pro-oxidative molecules floating around in the cell. Mm-hmm. So we're going to redo this study on humans shortly, but it's going to be broader. We're going to look at a lot of different metabolic markers. It also helps, you know who else gets exosomes? Your bacteria in your gut benefit from these. So a lot of bacteria in the gut, in your microbiome, process some of these for us. So this is really a natural, very cool, cutting edge, and it's the only regenerative supplement on the product. Let me tell you about the curated list of fruits on the back.
Yeah, that's what I was going to next. Go for it.
I got you. I read your mind. Blood orange, blonde orange. Yes, those are 2 different types of oranges. Lemon, mango, papaya, grapefruit, and bergamot. Bergamot is like a lime thing.
I was going to say, I didn't even know what that was. Okay.
Yeah, I had to look it up myself. Why these fruits? These fruits were chosen because they have known anti-aging properties in the blue zone and the Mediterranean, been used for generations. We blended them together, and for this particular one, and this is just the first one, right? We have other things in the
I'm sure you do.
Phase, but this is a 1 a day, and if you take this, you can get rid of your resveratrol, your quercetin, your spermidine, your glutathione, your vitamin C. You can take more vitamin C if you want. I don't mind that. You can get rid of all your vitamin Bs except B12. Plants do not put B12 in exosomes. Okay. And you're getting more from that little capsule than you will from a bunch of handful of, I used to take these all day long, right? This whole bag. And so this is my one way to cut back on the pill fatigue. So we're super excited about this. Initial results. Some people say they feel some energy, so we recommend you take it in the morning because we don't want to.
That's what I'm doing in the morning.
Energetic at bedtime.
Yeah. Again, when I look at this thing and I think about just what's in it, right? It's a whole long list of fruits. Most I've heard of, some of I haven't, like, bergamot, whatever the hell that is. I don't know what that looks like. I'm going to look it up. And then I look at what you've been trying to do all this time, right? It's going into stem cells and exosomes and all of that. This just feels like the natural next step. And this really what I see you here with Longevix, and these are my words, not yours, so you may poo-poo this. This almost feels like the multivitamin of Exosomes. It's kind of like the first catch-all, and then you're going to be rolling out more focused stuff later. Am I even on to something with kind of like the multivitamin version of this?
Yeah, generally speaking, that doesn't have everything a multivitamin has. You probably still need a multivitamin, but
Yeah,
you know,
I wasn't trying to replace the multivitamin. I was trying to make it like it's the first
Yeah.
catch-all, and then you add B12 later or vitamin C if those things. But I don't know.
Yeah, if you could not eat enough fruit or drink enough fruit juice,
You wouldn't even want to. A liter of juice would rot your
yeah.
teeth.
Right.
That would be
Yeah,
crazy.
exactly. You should be focusing on your Ninja. What do you call the Ninja device?
Ninja Creamy, man. That
Ninja
thing's
Creamy,
black
yeah.
magic, man.
I think a wise man said, "You're an idiot if you don't have a Ninja Creamy."
Yes, you are. If you're trying to be healthy, yeah. If you're trying to be healthy and lose weight, eat protein, you don't have a Ninja Creamy, you're an idiot. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So this is a great overall phytonutrient delivery. You know, a lot of people take that, like
green juice,
the red pill and the green pill, or the big AG1, or you see these on TV. This one will knock your socks off with the amount of directed cell delivery. Remember, measuring things in your bloodstream don't tell you what your cell's getting.
Right.
So this is the way to really get a better delivery to the cell and a higher concentrated amount to begin with. So in a single little capsule. So
yeah, I'm curious. Obviously you're helping me along on this year-long health journey. Again, thank you for that. We're doing we're having blood work done, and then you're helping me review them. Are there any of those blood markers or things that we've been testing and looking at that we could see an improvement in 30 days or 60 days, however long, by taking this, that you think?
I don't know. We could look at some of the serum levels of your B vitamins and stuff, but because we're giving you this, I expect they're going to be robust anyway. Right. I think the thing to do here is we're going to be doing some metabolomics, which is looking at some very, very detailed biomolecules in your system that only are made in the cells. And some represent mitochondria, some represent what's going on in your gut microbiome. And we're going to look at this. This is a very expensive study that we're funding. And we're going to look at this before and maybe 2 or 4 months after you start this. So let me get back to you on that, because we're going to do a deep dive, and we're not going to just do a bunch of basic blood tests. We are going to look at a very deep and detailed biomolecular study.
Very, very cool. Well, you have given the ORAT community a coupon code. It is simply ORAAT. Great coupon code. I'll put a link below, but where can people go if they want to research it? It's just Longevix. Where do they go? Yeah,
I believe you have a
link. Yep.
A link, and you can put that in the show notes. You can always go to our website is Recell Nutra, RECELLNUTRA, for Recelebrate Nutraceuticals. Yep. You can also go to resellexo.com. You can find out we now have an Instagram page called Recell Nutra. Good. Check it out. I have some new videos we made that are going to start dropping there, and you can learn more about plant-derived exosomes in general. And it's amazing. And if you're a nerd like me, just Google that stuff. You'll be amazed what's out there and why plants and fruits and vegetables are so good for us. This is a way to get a concentrated delivery of a lot in one little capsule. It's totally cool, right? Nature's figured this out.
Yeah, folks, this has definitely been the latest edition of my health journey. I take it each and every morning. I'll put a link in the description below, plus your coupon code. Of course, it's just ORAT. That's what we do here, ORAAT. Take a look. I'm on the year supply. There's some discounts based on volume, as you might suspect, but go check it out. See if you want to add this to your health journey. Again, who wouldn't want to have all the benefits of fruit and not drink a liter of juice? That would be me. Dr. Jeff, thanks for all the help, buddy.
Thank you. Take care.